How to invest in Masterworks for beginners. So the first step is to simply go to their official website, which is masterworks.com. And as you can see here, you're gonna have to request an invitation. So this marketplace and this platform, basically it's working with invitation. And here you can invest your money into fine art. So as you can see, if we scroll down here, we can see different art pieces. Most of them are paintings, and here you can see the return. So as you can see, this art here has a 32% annual return, and if we click on it, we can see the initial offering price, which was $1 million, and as you can see, it was sold for 1.5. Now if we scroll down here, you can see more arts, and you can see their return on investment. And the great thing about this is that you can invest a low amount of money, so you don't have to buy the piece, so you don't have to invest $2 million, so you can invest $100. And here if you scroll down, you can see the performance of this website versus the S&P 500. And as I said here, basically it works with invitation. And here if you scroll down how it works, so as you can see, they select the artist. As you can see, their research team uses their property data to determine which artist markets have the most momentum. Then they purchase the art, and as you can see, they securitize the artwork. So as you can see, we file an offering circular with the Securities and Exchange Commission, and as you can see, they hold the artwork for 3 to 10 years, and as you can see, they're gonna sell your shares on the trading market. So basically, if you buy $10 worth of this art piece, and after 3 to 10 years they're gonna sell it, you're gonna receive your profits. So basically that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.